In the previous tutorial, we looked at how you add an image to your Moodle website. Now we're going to look at where you can find some good images to put on it, some good free images to put on it. The first one I'll point out is office.microsoft.com/images. And it says search thousands of images. And I'll just point out a few details before I move on. You have the option of looking for all images, illustrations, which are basically clip art, photos, animations, or sound. If you only want to find illustrations, you would click there. I'll just leave them all checked for now. Well, I'll just do illustrations and photos. And then instead of just searching the whole entire database, you'll put in a specific word. Let's look for a cat. And we'll click search. And you will have photographs and clip art, notice photos as well as clip art of a variety of cats. One thing I want to point out about Microsoft's site is over on the left it says media types. You can change that at any point. Image size, you might want to select small. In that case we get just a few images. You might then move it on to medium because remember you want to have a small file size for your Moodle website. So here are a few. If you select download, if you click download and then click save, you can save it to your desktop or somewhere on your machine to keep it. Notice this is a JPG file type, and remember Moodle said we could have JPG file types, GIF file types, PNG file types, and JPEG files. So this one is a valid file type. Keep that in mind as you're looking because not all of these files will be of that sort. Let's try this cat right here. It is a WMF, which is a Windows Meta file picture. Now you could use this picture in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, but it will not be valid file type to upload to Moodle. So you do need to watch for that. So there is one site that you can use, office.microsoft.com/images. A lot of good stuff. Watch your file types. Another one I like is philipmartin.info/clipart. Very colorful. You can just see from the images right here. If you look at what he's telling us right at the very top, it says welcome to free clip art by Philip Martin. It is totally free clip art for your classroom, newsletters, or wherever you can find a non-profit use. But if you want to publish it for profit, you have to contact him for a fee. So it is free for schools to use. Very nice clip art. How do you use it? Well, we'll scroll down and you can notice all the categories: languages, science, social studies, and so on. Once you find your category, you would want to click on the item within it, and I'm going to click on biology under the science category, and then it's showing me free science clip art by Philip Martin. Here's all of our science categories. So I will click on biology again because that's what I wanted. He has some sponsors. That is something you could ignore or look at if you want. So as I look down the list here on the left hand side, I can see the names of some files. They kind of describe what the picture is. I'm going to just click on the word biologist, and I will scroll down to look at that picture. And if I like it, all I have to do is right click on the picture, select Save Picture As, and I can save it to my desktop. Notice it is a GIF file type, so it is a valid file type for my Moodle site, and I think most of Philip Martin's are GIF file types. And I will save that.